not getting out of it. She had those tall shoes on.
So, congratulations. I have probably the best honor, I have to say, is giving out some really coveted awards here. And the first is a service award, and that goes to a student who's accumulated 7 points by volunteering here at the school and in the community. We have 2 recipients of that today. The first is Sarah. And the second is Kathleen. And the next award is the attendance award. This is one of our most favorite awards because, as I can't remember which chef said, show up on time, show up every day. It's probably one of the best things you can do in this industry. As you know, if you don't show up in a restaurant, you leave a station abandoned. It's not like an office job where someone else can pitch in or it'll wait for you until tomorrow. You sort of left the kitchen or the chef in the weeds. So an employer, it's one of the things they value the most is someone who's going to show up every day. Of course, you've got talent and you've got a basic knowledge, but someone who's reliable is probably one of the best things that an employee can give an employer. And we have someone here today who has perfect attendance, and again, it's Kathleen. We have a couple more. We started a couple of years ago a Dean's List to recognize students who have achieved 90% or higher and also not exceeded the allowed absences, and they do it by level. So we have 2 people who have Dean's List for levels 1 and 2, which would be Keely and Sarah. It's noted on your transcript, Sarah. And Jessica for level 2. Then, of course, it's been a wonderful class. I think every chef here will attest to that. Everyone has really given it their all, and we've seen a lot of talent, as you can see, displayed up here today. But cream always rises to the top. There's always someone who's going to finish at the top of the class, right? And today, that person is Sarah. Because we also have Sarah graduating with distinction, which means she's achieved 95% or higher in grades and also not exceeded the allowed absences. And she will be amongst an elite few who will be wearing this pin. Only graduates who have just graduated with distinction get to wear this pin, so I hope you'll wear it with great pride.
So I do have an award. I'll talk to your family for a second. So we have projects, showpieces, chocolate sculptures, and you're witnessing some of their work right here, actually everyone's. So they are required to do these to go on to each level. So in addition to a written test, they also have to make a showpiece. And we do a cumulative grade for that. And the winner, the person who has the highest grade on their project award gets a Jacques Torres book. It's his autograph. It's his book, Dessert Circus. And it's actually going to go to Sarah as well.